everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss upselling in Odoo 19 and how you guys can simply help your business to increase the revenue by suggesting a relevant product during the sales process. Okay, so it's basically a treasure for you guys. So upselling in Odoo 19 allows your sales team to recommend additional or a higher value product. Okay, when you guys are creating a quotation, sales order, or a point of sales transaction as well. To create an upsell, there you can see inside the sales module. Here it is the dashboard of sales module. Under there at the invoice session, there you can find orders to upsell. So how you will get the orders to upsell? By clicking on there you can find no orders to upsell as found. An order is to upsell when delivered quantity are above initially ordered quantity. And the invoicing policy is based on the ordered quantity as well. Okay, so here we have an example as well. So to see the ordered upsell quantity, you can move to the product set and we need to specify with one of the products. So let's move there and there we have the bacon burger. Here I'm choosing bacon burger as main product. So once I'm clicking there you can find the bacon burger has been included in the sales, purchase and point of sale sections. And under the general information tab there you can find it is a good and the invoicing policy is based on ordered quantity. So you guys need to understand one thing because we are actually going to deliver more quantity than the ordered quantity inside the particular quotation or the sales order. That's actually what called upselling. So you guys can see the upsell order inside to invoice session as well. So here I'm tracking the inventory and the on-hand quantity is basically 15 units. Sorry, not 15, 50 units. And in Odoo 19, upselling can be also configured by linking the optional or the complementary product of the main product. To understand that, let's move to the sales tab, and under the sales tab there you can find a section which is upsell and cross-sell as well. So upsell and cross-sell there you can find in packagings and there we have the optional product. So you can simply add any particular optional product along with the bacon burger. So here I'm adding Coca-Cola. So let's search for it. Here we have the Coca-Cola. I'm adding Coca-Cola as the additional or an optional product of bacon burger. So it's usually help like if you are selecting any of the optional product, these suggestions automatically appearing during the order creation or the quotation creation time. So it's basically helping users to quickly recommend additional item without a manual effort. So that's also called an upselling. Okay, so you guys are triggering the customers to buy another product along with the primary one as well. So here I'm added the optional product and once you're done with that, let's save this manually. Okay, so we are done with this save and let's move to the order session and here I'm going to create an order. So let's create a new one. So let me specify with the customer which is Azure Interiors. Once I'm done with that, let's add our product. Okay. All right. Let's add our product, which is bacon burger. So once I'm clicking on the bacon burger, there you can find the wizard like this. The product is bacon burger. You can choose a size and you can add the quantity. And there you can also find one more thing, which is optional product that we have already suggested inside the sales section. So there you can find the optional product along with the main product, which is Coca-Cola. So if any of your customer needs to buy the Coca-Cola once they are going to order the bacon burger, they have been seeing this particular product. So if they need to add this thing into their cart, they can easily do that. And it's also a kind of upselling in Odoo 19. Okay. So here I'm not going to add anything like this and let's confirm. Here I'm confirming with one quantity of order. Okay. So the Azure Interiors is demanding one quantity of bacon burger. Let's confirm, let it load. So once I'm done with that, you can find the ordered quantity is basically 1 unit price is 15 and we've already, not defaultly Odoo is set up at 10% of discount for the bacon burger due to the session, season time, and there we have the amount which is $13.95. Okay, so there you can find the total amount which has been added with 50% of tax as well. Okay, so once I'm done with that, let's confirm this order. So once you are confirmed this order, let's create an invoice along with this. So it's a regular invoice. We didn't even done with the delivery. So let's confirm this. And let's create a payment as well. So here I'm going to create the payment. Once I'm done with that, the product is in the payment, in the paid stage, which means the customer is already paid the product and everything. Okay, so it's paused. But moving on to the sales order, there you can find this delivery is still in the stage. Okay, we didn't even deliver the product. Moving on to the delivery. Imagine that Azure individuals suddenly change their mind and they need more quantity than the ordered quantity. So you can simply add more quantity. So they need to, you can add more quantity, which is a 3 quantity of the product. They said they need 2 more quantity of bacon burger. Okay, once you are done with that, you can simply validate. Because of why? Yeah, we are done with the delivery of 3 quantity product, but we didn't even created an invoice about the ordered quantity. We have only created invoice based on the ordered quantity, but not the delivered quantity. So we have already tracked that, and the quantities they demanded is basically 1, but we are delivered 3 quantity because of the customer. So how we can simply invoice that upsell product? Moving on to invoice session, orders to upsell. There you can find, here we have the upselling quantity. So by clicking on there you can find the quotation, which means not the quotation, the order. And there we have the order line tab and the quantity, deliver quantity, the invoice section as well. Okay. So once you are moving there we don't have any option to create an invoice. But if you are changing the quantity here, like we are going to change this as 3 because we need to create an invoice of 3 quantity which have been delivered to our customer. So you can see a button is triggered as create an invoice. You can simply create an invoice for the upselling quantity of the product. So here I'm moving to the regular invoice. Let's create a new one. So after that, there you can find the product, the total quantity going to invoice, and there we have the price and the amount and every kind of things that regarding to the particular quotation or the orders. So let's confirm this. And after confirming that, you can create a payment. All right. So let's create a payment. So we are done with that. So inside Odoo 19, the upselling is basically very easy, and you can simply do that inside your business very well because it's going to increase your sales in a lower portion to a higher one. Okay. So by using upselling effectively, business can increase average order value, improve customer satisfaction, and also optimize sales performance as well. Okay. So that's all about this video. So if you like this video, please do subscribe, share with your friends. And I'm back with next new concept inside Odoo 19. So till that, stay tuned for that. Bye-bye.